Peace be upon you. Welcome to all my students in Prep 2 with you, Mr. Muhammad Omar. In this video, we are going to make revision about Unit 1 in Algebra first term is the set of real number. So let's start with our revision. Example A complete. Number 1. The multiplicative inverse of the number root 5 equal what? Equal 1 over root 5. And we can make the denominator without root by multiply the numerator and the denominator by root 5. So 1 times root 5 equal what? Equal root 5. And also root 5 times root 5 equal 5. So the result is root 5 over 5. Example number 2. 3 power 10 plus 3 to the power 10 plus 3 to the power 10 equal 3 power. We notice that all the number are similar. All of them 3 power 10. So we can take one of them as a common factor as follows: 3 power 10 and then open bracket 3 power 10 over 3 power 10 equal what? Equal 1. Plus also 3 power 10 over 3 power 10 equal 1 plus 1. Then the result is 3 power 10 times 1 plus 1 plus 1 equal what? Equal 3. Okay, 3 power 10 times 3 power 1. The base equal base, then we take one of them and then make addition to the powers. 10 plus 1 equal what? Equal 11. So the result is 3 to the power 11. Example number 3. Root 7 minus root 3 times root 7 plus root 3. The two brackets are the two conjugate numbers because one of them is negative and the other is positive. And we know that the product of the two conjugate numbers equals what? Equals first power 2 minus second power 2. The first number power 2 minus the second number power 2. First number is root 7. Root 7 power 2 equal 7. Yes, minus root 3 power 2 equal what? Equal 3. So 7 minus 3 equal 4 and the result is 4. Example 4. 2 times cubic root of 2 all the power 3 equal what? Okay, 2 power 3 equal what? Equal 2 times 2 power 3. And cubic root power 3 equals 2 power 3 equal what? Equal 8. Okay, 8 times cubic root and power 3, they are cancelled. So the remainder is 2. And 8 times 2 equal 16. And the result is 16. Okay, example number 5. The volume of a cuboid whose dimensions are root 2 centimeter, root 3 centimeter, and root 6 centimeter is, we know that the volume of the cuboid equal what? Volume of the cuboid equal the product of the three dimension or length times width times height. So L times width times h height. Okay, root 2 L times L width, root 3 times height, root 6. Now root 2 times root 3 equal what? Equal root 6. Root 6 times root 6 equal what? Yes, equal 6. But 6 what? What is the measurement units? 6 cubic centimeter. Okay, example number 6. The diameter length of a sphere whose volume 1372 over 81 pi. We know that the volume of the sphere equal what? Yes, equal 4 over 3 by r power 3. This is the rule of the volume of the sphere. V equal 4 over 3 by r power 3. Then substitute about the given volume 1372 over 81 by equal what? Equal 4 over 3 by r power 3. Now pi in the right hand side and pi in the left hand side, they are cancelled. Then r power 3 equal what? Equal 1372 divided by 81 times 3 over 4. And by using calculator, we find the result of r power 3 as follows. Okay, 1372 divided by 81 times 3 over 4 equal what? Equal 12.70. So r power 3 equal what? Equal 12.70. But we need r only, so r only, not power 3, equal what? Cubic root of 12.70. And the cubic root of 12.70 equal what? The cubic root of 12.70 equals 2.33. Okay, r equal to 0.33, but this is the radius length and we need the diameter, and we know the diameter equal what? Equal double of radius length, 2r. So the result and finally is 2.33 times 2. 2.33 times 2 equal 4.66, and this is the result. Okay, example number 7. The set of real number equal what? Equal the set of rational number. It is denoted by the symbol q. Union the set of irrational number. It is denoted by the symbol q dash. Example number 8. R positive union R negative equal what? We know that this is the number line, 0 in the middle and infinity and the negative infinity. We know that all this part in the right hand side called what? Called R positive, and all this part in the left hand side called what? Called R negative, and all the number line called what? All the number line called R. So the set of real number equal R positive union R negative union what? Union the set of 0. Okay, so the set of positive real number union the set of negative real number equal what? Equal R the set of R difference the set of 0, and the set of R difference the set of 0 equal what? Equal R star. So the result is R star, and R star means R minus or difference the set of 0. Example number 9. The additive inverse of the number 1 minus root 2. We know that the additive inverse is the same number with different sign. So the result is equal negative 1 minus root 2 equals negative times positive equal negative 1, and negative times negative equal positive root 2. So the result is negative 1 plus 2. Example number 10. The closed interval from negative 2 to 7 intersects with the open interval negative 2 and 7. Okay, the intersection mean the common number between the two intervals negative 2 and 7, and the common number between them equal negative 2 and 7 opened interval. And we can use the number line to find the intersection as follows. This is the number line, 0 in the middle, and in the right hand side 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and also in the left hand side what, negative 1 and negative 2, and then represent negative 2 closed interval and 7 negative 2 closed and 7 also closed interval, and then we match between them and colored. Also negative 2 and 7 open interval, negative 2 opened, okay, opened here, and 7 also opened here, then we match between them also and color. Then the intersection between them is from negative 2 opened to positive 7 opened. Example 11. If root 2x less than or equal to 4, then the value of x equal, okay, root 2x less than or equal to 4. This is inequalities, and to find the value of x we divided the two sides by root 2. So root 2 and root 2. Root 2 and root 2 they are cancelled. And in the right hand side we can multiply the numerator and denominator times 2. So the result is x less than or equal to 4 times root 2 equal 4 root 2, and root 2 times root 2 equal 2. 2 divided 2 equal 1, and 4 divided 2 equal 2. Then x less than or equal to 2 times root 2 root 2. And now we can find the value of the variable x belong to from negative infinity because x less than 2 root 2 closed because less than or equal to. This is the value of the variable x. Another example, find in the simplest form root 50 plus root 18 minus root 2. To put this example in the simplest form, we look at to the smallest root and put the others two roots like them or equal to them. So root 50 equal what? Equal root 2 times 25. We choose 2 times 25 to make root 2 like root 2, and then plus root 18 equal what? Equal root 2 also times 9 minus root 2. Then the next step, root 25 equal 5, root 2 plus root 9 equal 3, root 2 plus or minus root 2. Okay, 5 plus 3 equal 8, 8 minus 1 equal 7, so the result is 7 root 2, and this is the simplest form. Okay, now we are finished our revision on the first unit, the set of real number. I hope everyone is benefit, and see you later in other videos.